Action Sports, kinilala ang ilang natatanging atleta at iba pang personalidad sa Spin.ph Sportsman of the Year Awards. Kabilang diyan ang ilang miyembro ng Gilas at si Samaang Basketball ng Pilipinas President Manny V. Pangilinan. Umaaksyon si Lynn Olivario.
Nagsama-sama mga atletang nagmarka sa taong 2015 sa Spin.ph Sportsman of the Year Awards na si Samaang Basketball ng Pilipinas President Manny V. Pangilinan hinirang bilang sportsman who makes it happen. Sa kanyang pagbaba sa pwesto sa Mayo, nanawagan si MVP sa mga miyembro ng SBP na ipagpatuloy ang pagsuporta sa Philippine sports, lalo na sa basketball.
I hope this award not only signifies what has been done or achieved so far for Philippine sports, but an encouragement to do better for Philippine sports.
Si Gilas Pilipinas coach Tab Baldwin kinilala bilang sportsman who takes the lead. Ito'y dahil sa pagdala niya sa national team sa ikalawang sunod na runner-up finish sa FIBA Asia Championship.
If there's a trophy or whatever, it should be broken up into 12 pieces and distributed amongst the players. And I genuinely feel that way, and I genuinely am honored to be here tonight to represent the players because that's what I'm doing.
Si Ateneo spiker Alyssa Valdez na hinirang bilang game changer, nagpasalamat sa kanyang mga magulang.
So to my first ever coach, to my mom, Inay, thank you for believing in me. Ikaw ang tunay na champion tuwing nananalo kami. Ikaw ang totoong game changer. Andiyan din yung first cheater ko. So to my tatay, thank you so much.
Hinirang naman bilang Spin.ph Sportsman of the Year si Calvin Abueva.
Wala akong masabi. Talagang excited na nanginginig.
We've recognized the fact na Calvin dedicated the whole year dedicated his whole season to Gilas actually.
Kinilala rin bilang sportsman who inspires hope si Kobe Paras. Sportsman who defies the odds si ASEAN Para Games gold medalist Ernie Gawilan. Sportsman who succeed as one ang NCAA champs Letran Knights. Sportsman who care ang UP Fighting Maroons. Sportsman who excels in academics si J.R. Galyarza ng UP. Habang sportsman who personifies the Filipino fighting spirit si boxing champ Donnie Nietes. Umaaksyon, Lynn Olivario, News 5.
Be sure to come back. Use 5 everywhere. Copyright 2016.